Okay, to watch TV, this is the remote. Red button turns on the remote, and then the TV turns on. And what you want to log on to is TV Mate. So basically, you're going to use your directional buttons to select TV Mate, and you're going to hit the OK button. Now, what that'll do, that'll bring you your information for TV. Now, your last station that the person watched will come up. So you have a back button. You want to hit the back button. Hit the back button. Okay, and these are your options right here. You have TV, movies, TV shows. So all you do is use your directional arrow to select what you want. Let's say you want to watch movies. So you select movies. And then you have all these selections. All movies, new releases, action movies, sci-fi, adventure. So let's say you just select adventure. And then you use your directional arrows. These are these four. That's your back button. And you just select whatever one you want. So let's say you want to watch The Legend. Okay? All you do is select the one that's highlighted. Select play. And then it loads. And then you watch TV. Now, bear in mind that you're pulling from a server somewhere in the world. So you might have some buffering. It might get a little jumpy every now and then, or it may not work. But most of the time, it streams very well. So then you just watch your TV. And then when you're done, as you can see, this is loading right now, or it's actually playing. Movie starting. It's a Golden Harvest presentation. Why do I think I picked the Chinese station? It even sounds it. But anyway, let's say you don't want to do that. You have your back button, which is right here. You back out. And you keep backing out. Let's say you want to watch a comedy movie. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting comedy. And let's pick up, well, we got Charlie Chaplin. Cary Grant, Gentlemen. Wow, we got a lot of movies to choose from. I'm just scrolling down. Look at them all. My favorite 5. A lot of, there's something for everybody. But I'm trying to look for one that What is this one? How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days? I think everybody's seen that one. So, here we go. Now it's loading. And here we go. And I think I can even, I can even advance it.
They're not rare. They lose their status. Status is the reason to buy them in the first place.
Then when you don't want to watch it anymore, it's done. Back button. Back button, back button, back button, and then you can pick anything you want. We're back to the main screen, TV shows, TV, and that's that.